Welcome to our channel. Today, we will uncover the simplest method to verify your Care.com caregiver account quickly and effectively. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Care.com caregiver account is a crucial step to start connecting with families seeking your services, but it can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, with a clear step-by-step approach, you can complete this process smoothly. First, visit the Care.com website and log into your caregiver profile if you do not have an account. Yet you will need to register by providing basic information like your name, contact details, and services offered. Once logged in, navigate to the account verification section, which is typically found in your profile settings. Here you will see options to submit documents for identity check. Next, you will need to upload several key documents that Care.com requires to verify your identity and caregiving credentials. These usually include a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport, a background check or consent to run one, and any relevant certifications like CPR or first aid certificates. Make sure all the documents are clear and fully legible to avoid delays. After uploading your documents, carefully review all the information on your profile for accuracy. This includes checking your phone number, email address, and service availability. Once everything is confirmed, submit your verification request. Care.com will then review your submission, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. While waiting, you can improve your profile by adding a professional photo and a detailed description of your caregiving experience and skills. This makes you more attractive to potential clients. It is also a good idea to respond promptly to any email requests from Care.com in case they need additional information or clarification. Remember that completing your verification not only builds trust, but also boosts your visibility on the platform and increases your chances of securing jobs. To sum up, by visiting your profile settings, uploading accurate identification and caregiving documents, and staying attentive to communication, you can verify your Care.com caregiver account easily and get ready to connect with families in need. Thanks for staying with us until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.